Hey, have you ever felt like you're just never going to make enough money to live the life you actually want? Well, it might be because you're shooting for the wrong target. Today, we're going to talk about why one very specific number can change absolutely everything for you.
So many of us have this idea just drilled into our heads, right? The big dream, the ultimate goal, is to become a millionaire. That's how you know you've made it. But what if I told you that by chasing that huge, far-off number, you're completely missing the one milestone that actually unlocks the entire game? This is it, $25,000. I know it doesn't have the same ring as a million, but trust me, reaching this number is the real turning point in your whole financial life. And look, this isn't just about having a nice little savings account. Hitting this mark sets off a chain reaction. It changes your mindset, your income, your power, and even how you see yourself. So let's break down exactly how it works. Okay, first up, the mindset shift. This is where you totally flip the script on what success feels like. You move away from this lifelong habit of thinking you need to add more and more stuff to your life. You know the feeling, right? Before you have that financial cushion, life is all about accumulation. You wait all year for a big sale. You throw a ton of stuff in your online cart, and you end up with a mountain of clothes you maybe wear once. It's all about the thrill of getting more. But once you hit that 25K mark, something really interesting starts to happen. All that stuff, it just loses its shine. Your priority shifts from physical things to your own mental space. And you start subtracting all the things that suck the life out of you. Not just old clothes, but that toxic job, draining friendships, and all those obligations you said yes to but never really wanted. There's this great proverb that just nails it. You start to realize that real wealth isn't about what you can add to your life, it's about what you finally have the power to remove. That's freedom. So this new mindset leads you right into the second massive change, the income shift. This is where you fundamentally change your relationship with money, and you break free from that endless cycle of trading your time for dollars. I mean, this is where we all start, right? Linear income. You work an hour, you get paid for an hour. You give up your whole weekend for a side hustle just to make an extra $100. The big problem? There are only so many hours in a day. Your income has a hard ceiling. But then there's leveraged income. This kind isn't tied to your time, it's tied to your assets. It works for you while you're sleeping, while you're on vacation, and unlike your time, it has no limit. So where does our magic number fit in? Well, $25,000 is right around the point where this idea of leveraged income stops being a theory and starts to feel real. Like, really real. Let's just run some simple math. Say you take that 25 grand and put it into a solid dividend ETF that pays out, on average, about 4% a year. That's an extra $1,000 a year in your pocket from passive income. It's that first four-figure return earned from your money alone that makes it all click. Suddenly, the whole concept of money making money is real. It's happening to you. And with this clearer mindset and this new little income stream, your entire approach to life changes. You stop just reacting to whatever life throws at you, and you start thinking like a strategist. When you're living paycheck to paycheck, you're basically in survival mode. You take a job that's painfully boring, or an offer that's way too low because you literally can't afford to say no. You're just reacting to your circumstances. But hitting that 25K mark unlocks what we can call freedom choice. You get to move past the I can't stage of pure necessity, and even past the I shouldn't stage of strict discipline. You finally have the breathing room to make choices based on what you actually want to do, not what you're afraid of. And this right here is the game changer. You can pass on a terrible job offer because you can afford to wait for a better one. You start playing offense with your life, asking, what's my next best move, instead of what's the least awful option I have right now. And finally, all of these changes build up to the biggest one of all, your identity. It changes how the world sees you and, more importantly, how you see yourself. I mean, think about it. A landlord is looking at two identical applications to rent an apartment, but one of you has 25 grand in the bank. Who do you think they see as the safer bet? That financial cushion signals that you're stable. It means you get taken more seriously by banks, lenders, pretty much everyone. And when the world starts treating you differently, it has this incredible effect on you. You start to see yourself differently. That new feeling of security builds real confidence that comes through in how you talk, how you negotiate, and just how you carry yourself every single day. Your whole world starts to change. You know that saying, you become the average of the people you spend time with? Well, it's true. Your conversations might start shifting from reality TV to investment strategies. You naturally start connecting with people who share your new goals, and your circle just levels up with you. So forget the $1 million dream for just a minute. That first $25,000, that's where the real magic happens. It's where you find control, clarity, and confidence. So the only real question left is, what's your next best move to get there?